Alright, let's start going. Alright, today we're going to be dissecting a sheep eye. So first, the stuff that Harrison's going to want to take off is the fat and muscle around the eye. So we're going to cut that off, and you're going to want to make small cuts. So those are also might take us a while. So the reason for this you want to take it off is because we'll show you in a minute, but you want to find the optic nerve, which usually is at it's a point where you want to go from to find that, because it's sort of like in the center of the bone, because you can't cut through the bone. So once you get all that off, you're going to try and find the optic nerve. But right now we're just trying to get all the fat and muscle off.
So now this is the optic nerve right here. That is. The purpose of the optic nerve is to stimulate into the optic nerve.
Also, another thing with the optic nerve, the retinal is in the back with the optic nerve, which sends images through the optic nerve to the brain. So that's kind of like what you can see. It's basically how you see. So right there, Harrison is pointing at it. It's the optic nerve. I think it's right there. That's the optic nerve. So we're just gonna try and cut around that. So what you're gonna want to try and do is, if you can't get in with the scissors, you can always grab the needle and poke it in. But what you're gonna want to do is you want to cut it so it looks like an Easter egg, where you can open it, but it's not like fully broken. There we go. Be careful, because it might, like, some of the juices from the inside of the eye might squirt out. And then once we get in, we'll show you where the pupil is and all that jazz, fun stuff. Hey, we're 2 minutes. We have like 4 minutes left. Yeah. Just like Harrison's doing, you're just gonna want to cut around it, just like an Easter egg. The reason why you also have to find the retinal, or the optic nerve, is because it's right on the bone, and you can't cut through the bone, so it's just gonna make your life way harder if you make your cut near that. So you kind of want to find that, and that's gonna be like the bottom of your egg. See, as you can see, it's kind of squirting onto Harrison's hands. Just a little gross, but you know, science. Oh, it smells lovely. Good times, good times. Alright, we're just gonna switch over quick. Alright, now that we got through that struggle, we're gonna open it. This one's
Should we cut it a little bit more?
Oh yeah. Oh, this is perfect. If you can cut that fat off, then they can see the pupil in the iris. And like right there, that string I think is what it's attaching it. Just get to that. Perfect. Alright, now let's open that sucker up. Right, yeah, right there.
There we go.
Alright, this one is actually really well. If you can hold it up.
Yeah.
The thing in the front, right there, the hard part, it's like a marble. That's the pupil. And then the stuff around that, like, I don't know if you can see it very well, but like the black stuff right here, that's the iris, which is located around the eye, and most of it is up here in the top of it. The retinal is located back here. I don't know if you can see it because it's kind of being covered up, but it is what sends the image to the optic nerve to the brain.
Alright, we're gonna get the goop out.
That is the, what's it called again, Harrison? That is called the aquarius humor. What it does is it's the one closest to the pupil, and it kind of holds the shape of the eye. So it just kind of fills.
It's kind of
in.
hard to get it out. It's
Yeah.
really slippery. I'll try my best.
Wait, where's the other view?
In the front, between the.
And then, if you notice to see the shiny stuff in the back, that is the.
I'm just getting all the goop out. Hopefully this will be okay. Alright, once we get the goop out, we're going to label everything.
Yeah. That'll be a lot easier visual for you to see.
Okay. Almost got all the aqueous humor out, or no, the vitreous humor, which is just the squishy stuff. Okay. This is the lens.
It's the pupil right there.
Okay, so this blue shiny thing in the back is the tapetum lucidum, which is a shiny blue layer that.
Which, when light comes in, it reflects so that cows can see in the dark. Well, yeah, it holds the shape of it, but it also. Oh, not a cow, it's a sheep, sorry. So it lets it in so that sheep can see in the dark. Cats have this too, and dogs. Any animal that can see in the dark. We don't have this.
Yeah,
We can kind of see in the dark, but we don't have this, so we can't see
So
very well in the
there's
dark.
this little squishy thing in the back. That is actually the. Let me find it. Where is it? The retina. This is the retina, and you can kind of just peel that out. It kind of came off in two different pieces, but this is the retina. Get it out. You can kind of see the tapetum lucidum kind of falling out. I'm just gonna zoom it out.
And then,
Good enough. Then up in the front, you have the iris, which was surrounding the lens. I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna see if I can at least. Cut in half. In here.
I'm gonna grab the tweezers.
Yep. You cut that in half, and you grab the tweezers and pull that out. I'm just gonna. And it has a white ring on the outside, or on the inside, sort of, on it. You can sort of see it right there that it didn't all come off. Here, let's see if I can get that.
Another thing, the reason, or how is a sheep eye different from human eye? The sheep eye has elongated pupils, making it able to control the amount of light coming into the eye greater, just so it can just allow that.
Yeah.
Humans don't have that, so.
So, alright, now that we're out here, we can label everything. Okay, so that's all the fatty tissue.
That's the.
Right here on the front, sort of, there's still a lot of fatty tissue on it, but this is the sclera, which is just the white, white of your eyeball.
Sean, shut up, we're recording.
This is the cornea, which is just the part that you see through. It's sort of like a lens, even though this is the lens. That is the iris, which surrounds the lens and surrounds the cornea. You have the tapetum lucidum in the back, the little blue thing, kind of looks like stars almost.
It's like
The back, there's an optic nerve. Let me find it. It's right about here. It's kind of like a little bit of a white spot right there. The aqueous humor was this goo in the back in between, or no, it's the clear stuff in between the lens
That's
and
what
the cornea.
holds the shape of the eye.
Yeah. And then the vitreous humor, the vitreous humor holds the shape of the eye.
Vitreous.
It's in the back, closer to the tapetum lucidum. Yeah, that's it.
So, thanks for watching. Drop a like and follow.